Hello, today is the day. I'm super excited. It's Tuesday, November 21st, and it is giveaway time. I am giving away, VO's Journey is giving away an exciting thing today, and I'm excited to share that with you and tell you what you need to do in order to enter to get that thing that I'm going to show you in just a second. So, as many of you know, my name is Anthony, and if you're just seeing this for the first time, I'm a voice actor as well as a voiceover coach. And, many years ago, after I had been in voiceover for a little while, I also started helping other people, and one thing led to another, and of course VO's Journey Elite Academy was born, and we've been going on for years now, doing the academy and helping a lot of voice actors grow and start their voiceover business, and a lot of stuff going on. Super excited. We have a couple hundred members in our academy, and just keep growing. So I'm really thrilled about that. And but today I'm here to talk to you about a giveaway, because I think this voiceover community has been so incredible to me. It has changed my life forever, and my story, I don't know, go back into it. You've probably seen it, or I've said it quite a few times. But basically, I was working a job as a teacher, and I just wasn't happy doing it. And I found voiceover, and it changed my life forever. I was able to replace my income, leave my job, and I've been doing this for years and years ever since. So it's been such a blessing, and I would like to give back just a small token, and I think we're going to do this more. I can do this more just to the beginning, even though I haven't actually awarded the prize yet to the person who's going to get it. It just feels good to give and to give back to. So with that being said, let's talk about what we're giving away today. So I think at the heart of everything that we do is a microphone, okay? And I'm really excited. I geek out about microphones. And so today I am going to be giving away, all right, my Sennheiser microphone. I'm so excited. My Sennheiser 416 microphone. This one is used, this particular one, but it is in perfect working order, and it is fantastic. This is the 416. These cost around $1,000, and this along with the TLM 103 are kind of like the staples in our industry. So I'm very excited to be giving this microphone away. Okay, let's see if it it said as a 416, and all you have to do to enter is comment below in this video about what microphone you are currently using. Okay, you just have to comment below on what you are currently using. If you would like to share the video, that would be cool too, but you have to enter, you have to comment below on what microphone you are using. What I will do, okay, is I will take all of those names that enter, and I'll put them into a metaphorical hat, if you will. I use this kind of cool little wheel. It's an online thing, and I will spin that wheel, and whoever wins, I will reach out to you. Okay, so that is the name of the game. We're giving away a Sennheiser 416 microphone. Very, very excited about it. All right. And basically what will happen is whoever wins, I will reply to the comment, all right, below that you are the winner, and you'll have to make sure you're watching, and then I'll, show you how you'd reach out to me, and we will go from there, and I will mail you the microphone that you get for the holiday season. Super excited. You have until Sunday. Okay, you have until Sunday to enter. It's the same as our Black Friday sale that we're running for VO's Journey Elite Academy. You can join for $19 a month. We're running that as well to Sunday, so these are going to go side by side. But you've got to enter and leave a comment by Sunday, depending on when you'll see this video. All right, very excited. Share this with other people in the industry who might think will have a nice thing, and we will be doing another giveaway for Christmas, so I'm really excited about that as well. And like to keep this trend going because I think it's a really awesome. It's nice to get some equipment that we really need, and the Sennheiser really changed my business. I have a different mic now. I upgraded. I have a Manley Silver mic, so that's the mic I use now. But I thought it'd be absolutely wonderful to have someone else be blessed by this 416, which helped build my business. So, all right. So enter below. Remember, you enter by listing the microphone that you have. All right. Thank you guys so much. Oh, and make sure you like and subscribe, please. That's vital to this. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Good luck, and I'm excited to see who wins. Have a great holiday and happy early Thanksgiving. All right, everybody. Bye bye. Good luck.